Okay, to get proper fitment on your mic flag, you're gonna line up where you want mic flag to sit, about center. Go around and make a few marks around your microphone. You'll have some small dots. For best fitment, we recommend that you start small and fit it so that it's got tight fitment. You just stick your finger through and pull out a section at a time. And this foam will compress quite a bit. You slide the foam on where you'd like it. Put your bottom plate on. And then if your orientation on your logo plate isn't the way you want it, flip it over like that, and you're good to go.